What are BRICS' views on Internet governance? Have you ever wondered how countries work together to manage the Internet? The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, have some interesting views on this topic. They focus on enhancing their digital sovereignty, which means they want to control their own digital resources and data. This is important for their national security and economic interests. Each BRICS country aims to reduce reliance on foreign technologies and platforms. They are creating national laws and regulations that govern Internet use and data protection. This reflects their desire to protect the rights of their citizens while asserting control over digital spaces. Digital sovereignty is a key priority for BRICS. They want to maintain control over their Internet infrastructure and data flows. This helps them safeguard their national security and economic interests. To achieve this, they are implementing legislative measures and collaborating to build resilient digital ecosystems. These ecosystems are designed to be less vulnerable to external influences or cyber threats. Cybersecurity is another area where BRICS countries are working together. They engage in joint exercises, share intelligence, and develop unified strategies to counter cyber threats. This cooperation is formalized through working groups that focus on the security of information and communication technologies. When it comes to policy frameworks, BRICS countries aim to harmonize regulations on data protection, privacy, and cybersecurity. They want to establish common standards that reflected their shared interests and address challenges from emerging technologies like artificial intelligence. For instance, BRICS has formed an artificial intelligence study group to assess risks and develop governance frameworks for this technology. However, there are differences among BRICS members regarding content regulation. Some countries prefer strict control over Internet content to uphold traditional values, while others advocate for democratic governance that respects cultural and language diversity. From a liberalism perspective, which values individual rights and multilateral cooperation, BRICS' focus on digital sovereignty presents a complex picture. Their efforts to protect user rights and promote cybersecurity align with liberal concerns about privacy. Yet, their strong state-centric approach can conflict with the ideals of an open and decentralized Internet. BRICS seeks to balance their sovereignty goals with commitments to transparency and freedom of expression. They want to ensure that Internet governance supports both national interests and global digital development. Their growing influence in international Internet governance forums, like the United Nations Internet Governance Forum, shows their desire to shape global digital policies while engaging in multilateral dialogue. In addition, BRICS focuses on infrastructure development and narrowing the digital divide. This aligns with liberal goals of equitable access and inclusive global development. Overall, BRICS' views on Internet governance combine a strong emphasis on national control with collaborative efforts to create shared standards, reflecting their diverse priorities and common interests in shaping the future of the global Internet.